The Koda Loft Micro by Koda is a compact modular home that combines minimalism, sustainability, and modern aesthetics in under 300 square feet. Designed for urban living, it features a full kitchen, bathroom, sleeping loft, and large windows that flood the interior with natural light. Built with eco-friendly materials and smart insulation, the unit maintains energy efficiency throughout the year. Its plug-and-play design allows it to be installed or relocated within hours, making it perfect for mobile professionals or small space enthusiasts. The Koda Loft Micro embodies the future of efficient, flexible, and elegant living. Dubai's floating seahouse villas redefine waterfront luxury with their stunning two-level floating design featuring underwater bedrooms and panoramic sea views. Each villa includes a submerged glass-walled suite surrounded by marine life, offering a unique undersea living experience. The upper deck provides open-air relaxation, solar power systems, and modern architecture fused with marine engineering. Built to withstand coastal conditions, these villas blend sustainability with extravagance. They stand as a symbol of Dubai's futuristic vision, where innovation meets opulent design on the tranquil waters of the Arabian Gulf. The Nolla cabin, designed by Robin Falk in Finland, is a zero-emission microcabin that embodies sustainable living in its purest form. Constructed entirely from renewable materials and powered by solar energy, the cabin leaves no environmental footprint. Its triangular structure maximizes space while providing breathtaking natural views through its large glass front. Compact, yet comfortable, it encourages minimalist living and self-sufficiency. The Nolla cabin isn't just a retreat, it's a statement about the possibility of living beautifully and responsibly in harmony with nature. The Vashon Edition by Modern Tiny Living merges farmhouse charm with luxury design in a compact footprint. With high ceilings, shiplap interiors, and a full-size kitchen, it feels far larger than its dimensions suggest. Premium finishes, energy-efficient systems, and smart storage solutions make it ideal for full-time living or stylish getaways. Built on a trailer chassis, it's easily towable and fully off-grid capable. The Vashon Edition showcases how thoughtful design and craftsmanship can deliver the comfort of a modern home within a tiny mobile structure. The Cypress model from TumbleweedHouses is a classic on wheels, the world's first RV-certified tiny home, featuring a gabled roof, cozy loft, and customizable interiors. It offers timeless beauty combined with modern functionality. Every inch of space is optimized for storage and comfort, while energy-efficient windows and eco-friendly materials make it both practical and sustainable. Built to travel or settle permanently, the Cypress captures the essence of freedom and craftsmanship, proving that home is not about size, but about thoughtful design and personal connection. The 1 square meter house, designed by Van Bo Lemensel, challenges the concept of urban space by delivering a fully functional shelter in just 1 square meter. Built with wood panels and plexiglass, it can rotate for sitting or sleeping modes and is easily transportable. This experimental micro-dwelling promotes social awareness and affordable living in cities with housing shortages. It's a statement on architecture's role in redefining necessity, minimalism, and freedom, proving that innovation doesn't require scale, only vision. The Cascade Max True Tiny Home offers a perfect balance of elegance and practicality. Its smart floor plan includes a full kitchen, a sleeping loft, and a spacious bathroom, all within a beautifully finished wooden structure. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the interior, creating a sense of openness. Designed for mobility and energy efficiency, it features off-grid capabilities and modern amenities. The Cascade Max True stands as a testament to what's possible when craftsmanship meets modern minimalism, turning small spaces into luxurious retreats. Canoe Bay's Escape tiny homes blend luxury with simplicity, offering handcrafted, architect-designed living spaces inspired by Frank Lloyd Wright's organic architecture. Each unit features rich wood finishes, high-end appliances, and panoramic glass for immersive natural views. With options for mobile or stationary setups, these homes prioritize sustainability and comfort. Perfect for eco-conscious travelers or minimalist homeowners, Canoe Bay's designs show how beauty and functionality coexist harmoniously in small-scale living. The Wickle House is a groundbreaking modular home made from 24 layers of recycled cardboard, bonded with eco-friendly glue. Despite its lightweight composition, it's strong, durable, and well-insulated. Each module can be customized for use as a home, studio, or office, and assembly takes just 1 day. Its contemporary design and circular economy principles make it one of the most sustainable housing concepts in Europe. Wickle House proves that innovation and environmental responsibility can come together in beautiful, practical design. Maison Bordeaux, designed by OMA and architect Rem Koolhaas, is a bold architectural masterpiece built on a hillside overlooking the French city of Bordeaux. The house features multiple levels connected by a central moving platform designed to accommodate a wheelchair-bound client. Its open-plan layout, panoramic glass walls, and seamless indoor-outdoor integration make it a modern marvel. Maison Bordeaux isn't just a home. It's an architectural statement on accessibility, innovation, and the emotional power of design. The VIP Shelter is a minimalist prefab steel cabin that brings the concept of industrial luxury into the wilderness. Measuring just 55 square meters, it's delivered fully equipped from furniture to fixtures and ready for immediate use. Surrounded by floor-to-ceiling windows, it immerses residents in nature while maintaining sleek Scandinavian design. Its dark metal shell contrasts beautifully with the natural environment, creating a striking yet peaceful retreat. The VIP Shelter embodies design perfection, simplicity, serenity, and precision in one portable architectural gem. The Huga Home Spot is a prefabricated concrete micro-home developed in Argentina to withstand extreme weather conditions. Built for strength, efficiency, and portability, it can be installed within a single day. Its durable structure resists fire, wind, and temperature changes while maintaining a cozy contemporary interior. With built-in solar panels, smart systems, and high insulation, it's ideal for sustainable, off-grid living. Huga represents the perfect blend of resilience and design, a modern fortress for minimalist, conscious lifestyles. Tiny Heirloom is a custom tiny home builder from Oregon, USA, known for creating luxury micro-homes that blend craftsmanship with cutting-edge design. Each house is tailor-made to reflect its owner's lifestyle, featuring high-end finishes, smart storage, and eco-friendly materials. From mobile residences to stationary dwellings, Tiny Heirloom homes prioritize sustainability and elegance. Their designs prove that downsizing doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. It's about redefining what home truly means with creativity and heart. Thuya is a minimalist architectural cabin that celebrates simplicity and nature. Constructed with locally sourced wood and large panoramic glass panels, it creates a seamless connection between the interior and the surrounding landscape. Inside, multifunctional furniture and hidden storage maximize every inch of space. Energy-efficient design principles keep it eco-friendly and affordable. Whether used as a retreat, guest house, or full-time dwelling, Thuya embodies the art of living minimally without compromising aesthetics or comfort. The Claristory model from Timbercraft Tiny Homes is a luxurious tiny residence with a stunning high-ceiling design and upper windows that fill the interior with light. Featuring custom cabinetry, a full kitchen, and a spa-style bathroom, it redefines mobile luxury. Built on a heavy-duty trailer, it combines craftsmanship with mobility, perfect for off-grid or on-road living. The Claristory showcases Timbercraft's expertise in blending Southern charm with contemporary sophistication, making tiny living feel truly grand. The Koda House by Koda is a futuristic prefab home that can be assembled in just hours. Its concrete modular design offers excellent insulation, acoustic control, and energy efficiency. Featuring full-height glass walls and minimalist interiors, it's ideal for urban or rural placement. The Koda House is designed for flexibility, stackable, relocatable, and sustainable. It's a bold reimagining of housing, mobility, and design, showing how innovation can redefine urban living in a small, intelligent space. The Quay House in Wales holds the title of the smallest house in Great Britain, measuring just 10 feet tall by 6 feet wide. Once home to a fisherman in the 19th century, it now stands as a historical marvel and tourist attraction. Despite its size, it features a living space, bedroom, and fireplace. The Quay House is a charming reminder of how compact living has always been part of human history, blending ingenuity, resilience, and charm. In a truly tiny The Panorama Glass Lodge in Iceland offers a unique experience of sleeping under the northern lights in luxurious glass cabins. Surrounded by stunning Arctic landscapes, each lodge features floor-to-ceiling windows, private hot tubs, and sustainable materials. The design maximizes views while ensuring warmth and comfort, even in extreme weather. It's an architectural masterpiece that connects guests directly with nature's most breathtaking phenomena, redefining what luxury and serenity mean in the modern world. Boxable is a groundbreaking prefab housing solution that unfolds from a compact shipping unit into a fully equipped home within an hour. Featuring energy-efficient insulation, integrated wiring, and modular flexibility, it's revolutionizing the concept of affordable housing. Made from durable composite materials, boxable units are stackable and customizable for residential or emergency use. With a mission to solve global housing shortages, Boxable combines technology, scalability, and accessibility, making sustainable living available to everyone, everywhere. The Waternest 100 by Giancarlo Zima is a floating eco-home built entirely from recycled aluminum and laminated timber. Designed for life on lakes or calm waters, it features 100 square meters of living space powered by rooftop solar panels. Its futuristic, pod-like design ensures energy efficiency and minimal environmental impact. Large circular windows provide panoramic views, while natural ventilation keeps the interior comfortable year-round. The Waternest 100 is a perfect example of architecture harmonizing with nature, elegant, sustainable, and self-sufficient. Champion Homes creates advanced modular homes that combine luxury and practicality with cutting-edge prefab technology. Their modern prefab line offers spacious, energy-efficient homes that can be customized to any style or location. Using precision factory construction, they minimize waste while maximizing quality and durability. With sleek exteriors and contemporary interiors, these homes rival traditional builds in beauty and function at a fraction of the time and cost. Champion Homes represents the future of residential design. Fast, flexible, and sustainable. Architect Macy Miller's self-designed tiny home is an inspiring example of creativity and sustainability. Built on a trailer over 2 years, it showcases the power of DIY architecture using reclaimed materials, solar panels, and thoughtful spatial design. Her home demonstrates how minimal living can be comfortable, stylish, and affordable. Complete with modern amenities and personal touches, Macy's house has become a symbol of the tiny house movement, proving that independence, simplicity, and beauty can thrive in just 200 square feet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.